In this place, students will explore the possibilities within construction industry and so much more. They'll leave not just with skills, but with certifications, confidence, and a sense of pride in what they've accomplished here.
So we used to say, you know, back in the day, you always heard a saying, it takes a village. This could not have been possible without a lot of people doing what they did. And I'm very appreciative of that. It's something that when we can give our kids an opportunity and open their eyes to things that they probably never thought of, we know we're doing our job.
I am so excited to be part of this moment today where we're not only celebrating the opportunity our kids have, but hopefully the opportunity of many building projects in this city and in this county where we're gonna put these men, young men and women to work.
And the one who's going to be leading the charge, nobody has mentioned his name yet, but we are going to depend on him, is obviously our instructor. I call him Gabe Diaz, but they corrected me, they say Mr. Diaz. So I'm gonna say Mr. Diaz, thank you.
Perfect example of a partnership that is truly going to benefit not only this community, but the entire county of Ventura.
And what Santa Paula Unified School District, the City of Santa Paula, and of course, the international trades are coming together to do. It's to do just that, to create these opportunities for our students in the community.
Water infrastructure, the roads, the highways, all of that we need a lot more of. And because of these young people, they're going to be on those projects going forward.
1, 2, 3, let's go!